Hello guys, welcome to our channel GK Securities. So in this video, we are going to discuss about what is hacking, how to become an ethical hacker and giving some live demo for hacking also. So before getting any delay, let's get started. So first, what is hacking? To gain an unauthorized access. That means to gain an access by using the vulnerabilities or weakness of a specific victim PC. So this is called hacking. For example, assume the red monitor as hacker machine and black monitor as victim machine. First, hacker machine scanning the vulnerability of a victim machine. Next, find the vulnerability and search the exploit for that vulnerability and exploit that to gain a reverse access. So this is the best example for hacking. For next, we are going to have some live hacking sections. So in this demo, I am using my Kali machine as a hacker machine and Windows 10 as a victim machine. So in Windows 10, I am having a file called pk.exe. And in my Kali machine, I am running one listener in my IP address and port 8000. So go back to my Windows machine and double click on that file and click on run. And I will get a metadata session. If I type pwd, it will show I am in C, users, user and downloads. Go back to my Windows machine and create a new test file named as test and click enter. I created a new test file and go back to my Kali machine and type this command and I see the test.txt. So I going to delete this file by using rm test.txt and click enter. The test file will be removed and go back to my Windows machine. I will search for test, it will remove it. So I hack this PC using my Kali machine. Next, we are going to discuss about what need to become a hacker. First, we need an interest to learn hacking. Next, some networking knowledge. Next, and programming knowledge. That means we want some interest to learn some new things like hacking, penetration testing, website penetration testing like that. And networking means we want to understand the networking skills. That means we want to understand the ARP spoof, what is ARP, what is DNS, how to change the DNS like that. And programming knowledge to create a exploit. That means you want to create a exploit, we need some programming knowledge like Java, Python, like that. So next we are going to discuss about how to become a hacker. So first, learn some basic networking. That means we want to learn some basic networking like what is DNS, what is ARP, like that. And next we want to learn coding. That means we want to learn one programming language like Python or C or C++, CH, like that. And next we want to learn what is a web server, why we use web server, how websites are running, like that. And next we want to learn basic of Linux. That means we want to know how to use the Linux. And finally we are going to talk about types of hackers. There are three types of hackers: black attackers, white attackers and grey attackers. Black attackers, the hackers who hack illegal purpose or personal purpose, they are called black attackers. And white attackers, the hackers who hack legal purpose like to checking the security level of a PC, like that. They are also called as ethical hackers. Grey attackers, the hackers who hack both legal and illegal purpose. That means he can hack legal also and illegal purpose also. For more cybersecurity contents, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for our future updates. Thank you. We will see in our next video.